What's up, guys? My name is Ryan Neuenhuis, also known as the Barbell Doc, and today I'm going to talk about kettlebell swings and the number one mistake that I see most people make when they try to perform these. Now, kettlebell swings can be a great tool to improve your power, build up the posterior chain, and improve your conditioning if they're done right. But the most common mistake that I see is people performing a squat style swing. In a squat style swing, people are basically mimicking a squatting motion in which they have a lot of knee flexion, less hip flexion, and they often utilize their arms and shoulders to help accelerate the weight up instead of performing the motion with their hips. Now, this isn't necessarily bad, but it's not technically how the swing should be performed, and you're not getting the benefit of really working on aggressive hip extension, which is the number one priority for the swing. So a true, properly performed kettlebell swing should be performed with a hip hinge. Now, with the hip hinge, it's basically the opposite of a squat style swing. You'll have a lot of hip flexion on the downward phase, minimal knee bend, and then the acceleration phase is basically produced by very aggressive hip extension. Now, if you find that you are one of those people who use a squat style swing, there are two quick and easy tricks that you can do to help improve your actual kettlebell swings. The first option is you can do swings with a low stool or a low box in between your legs, or you can take a looped circular band, place it around your legs, and perform swings in that manner. Doing the swing with either of those two options will basically force you to do a hip hinge, as you have to keep the kettlebell closer to you on the downward phase, thus decreasing how much knee bend you can actually have. This will pretty much automatically clean up the movement for people who find that they do squat style kettlebell swings. If you found this information to be helpful, please like and comment below. If you don't already, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this dropping every week, and I'll see you guys next time.